It has been a while since I've put out a video. Thanks everyone for sticking around. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This is one of my sleds, kind of ridiculous. This is my 2017 Axys here. Did a bunch of powder coating to it so far this summer, and on the 16th of August it is going to get a complete full wrap on it. So I'm very excited for that. Stay tuned for that video. It'll be coming out shortly after August 16th. And yeah, so today I'm going to be peeling off all of the decals and stuff like that, all the factory warning decals, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to take the seat off. The graphics shop, I'm sure, is fully capable of doing it, but I have nothing better to do, and I can make a video out of this, so win-win. So anyway, without further ado, I guess let's get going. Okay, so yeah, that actually didn't go too bad. The heat gun definitely helped with the thinner stickers for sure. Just heat them up a little bit so that they stretch instead of break. Makes it way easier to do. You don't want to heat them up too much though, because then they just kind of turn to goo. So definitely helps if you have, even a hairdryer would work too actually. But yeah, I got like a little RMK decal removed there. Got all the warning stickers removed off of there, the end of the tunnel. I'm gonna leave all the identification stickers there. They'll probably just go under the wrap or something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much done actually. That didn't really take as long as I thought it would have. So so I guess that's gonna do it for this video. Kind of a short video today, but kind of a little update, just doing a few odds and ends here. And so yeah, expect another like the wrap reveal video mid-August kind of thing. I might shoot another video as well later today working on the 270 big bore. I haven't ridden it hardly at all this year, which is really unusual. I've only ridden it like 4 or 5 times. That's why there's kind of been a lack of dirt bike content on the channel this summer, but mind you, there wasn't a lot last year either. But so yeah, this has kind of been the priority. Been kind of busy with other stuff too, and just trying to avoid the heat in general. So yeah, this thing's gonna be absolutely wicked. I cannot wait to show you guys the wrap. It's gonna be so cool. So expect that coming up shortly. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. Love to hear from you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.